Welcome to Evision, a hub of education, skills, and services.
Founded by CEO Asma Sheikh.
Pakistan's first female online academy. From academics to skills, Evision offers everything to shape your future. Evision, where education meets opportunity.
Boost your future with our Jumbo Pack. 3 courses in one, just in 2 months. Skills and career.
We offer professional courses in freelancing, graphic design,
ChatGPT.
digital marketing, and more.
From languages to academics, from freelancing to global opportunities. Join our learning community today and step into a brighter future.
Join Evision today and shape your future with CEO Asma Sheikh.
Evision, where education meets opportunity. A hub of education and skill.